In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Gmail. We'll start by grabbing the Grammarly extension in Chrome, then we'll open Gmail and see it in action as you write. First, open Google Chrome and head to google.com. In the search box, type Grammarly extension for Chrome and press enter. This is the quickest way to get to the official listing. In the results, look for the Chrome Web Store page for Grammarly. It typically appears near the top and clearly says Chrome Web Store in the link. Open that result to go to Grammarly's extension page. On the Chrome Web Store page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click that, and when the confirmation dialog appears, choose Add Extension. Chrome will download the extension and install it automatically. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message, and you may notice the Grammarly G icon near your browser's extensions area. If any permissions prompts appear, just review and accept them so the extension can check your writing on websites you use. Now, let's switch to Gmail. Open Gmail in Chrome. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in as you normally would. Give the page a second to fully load so the Grammarly extension can attach itself to the editor. Next, click Compose to open a new message. In the message body, start typing a few sentences. As you write, Grammarly will analyze your text in real time. You should begin to see underlines beneath potential spelling, grammar, or clarity issues. Hover over an underline to view the suggestion, and click to accept a change you like. You stay in control, accept only the edits that match your tone and context. If you don't see underlines right away, try waiting a moment or refresh the Gmail tab to let the extension initialize. Also make sure you're using Google Chrome, since this specific extension is designed for Chrome. Once you see those underlines, you're all set. From here on, Grammarly will be available each time you compose or reply in Gmail, helping you write clear, professional messages with less effort. For best results, write a couple of sample lines like a greeting and a sentence with a small typo to confirm suggestions appear. You can click the Grammarly icon in the editor to open its sidebar, where explanations tell you why a change is recommended. That context helps you learn as you go and keeps your writing consistent. If you ever want to pause Grammarly on Gmail, open the extension menu and toggle it off for this site, then turn it back on when you're ready.